Isometric projections of prism and pyramid. Draw the isometric projections of square prism 40 mm and height is 60 mm. Then draw the isometric projections of square pyramid, side of 40 mm and height is 60 mm. Both are same dimension, but it is different. After the basic commands, you are using in AutoCAD. Take as usual line command, ortho on, just draw one line. Very simple exercise. Then take rectangle, the dimension from click here to 40 comma 40. Then move the surface, just moving here to some distance. Then draw the projection line. Take line, take line, join this line. Then by using rectangular command, take rectangle, click here and give the dimension, 40 comma 60. The height is 60 mm, that's why we are giving 60 here. Then isometric projection, as like previous one, just draw the horizontal line using ortho on, then ortho off from the midpoint, ortho off from the midpoint, shift at 40 mm, shift at 40, then shift angle 30. Likewise from this side, shift at 40 and shift angle 150. Then as usual, you are taking mirror command, select object, enter, select the first point and second point, put no. If you are giving yes, it will be deleted, so you have to type no here, n. It is a very simple one. Then as usual, take a line, height is specify the height. Then using copy command, go to the copy command, select the object of the square, diagonal square, then enter, select the base point and copy into top, then put escape, then join the lines here to here, then join the lines here to here. Then highlighting all the others. It is a hidden line. These are the highlighting lines. So select all the highlighting lines, the surface, go to the bilayer giving the line weight option. Okay. Then dimensions, align dimension, linear dimension, etc., whichever you want, you have to give it here. This dimension, angle dimension 30, etc., etc. There is a notations. You have to note all the notation PQRS, ABCD, etc., and give accordingly in the diagram in AutoCAD. Okay. The next one, use just to delete this one. You can save it and again use this command. Okay. Next, as usual, same dimension. So as usual, rectangle 40, 40. The height from the center point we have to draw the height. Okay. This corner to this corner, then this corner to join this corner. From that center point, you have to identify the center point of the circle. Then give height is 60 mm, I think 60. Then join as a cone. Join this line and this line. Okay, now the cone surface is drawn. And delete the projection lines. Select the projection line and delete it. As like previous one, you have to draw line. So select this line, by layer, load, center line. Select the proper center line here. Okay, very simple one. Center line. Then take line, just to draw one line. Then take line as usual, shift at 40 and shift angle 30. Then take again shift at 40 and angle 150. Take a mirror command, select object. As like previous one, it is very simple. Put no. Then take a line. Just join this line to this center to that center and opposite centers. Then from the center point, the height of the line is 60 mm. Then escape. Then using copy command, select the object, put enter. Select the base point, center to center. The center point to center point you have to match it. Then draw the cone surface from that center to this corner and that corner. Delete that line, center line. Then join again that corner to this midpoint. Border by layer and highlighting the thickness of the cone surface. Then draw the another lines and give the proper dimensions and notations as like previous one. You can delete these lines, select and delete these lines. Give all the notations by using this slide. Okay, thank you.